Welcome to Travel, Tour, and Dine, your ultimate guide to the world's most exciting travel and dining experiences. We're on a mission to uncover the globe's hidden gems and tantalizing tastes, bringing you the best of both worlds in one thrilling package. From the bustling street markets of Asia to the quiet cafes of Europe, we'll take you on a journey of discovery and indulgence. Today, we will be taking you on a thrilling journey through Azerbaijan, a land of untold beauty and culinary delights. Starting our countdown at number 5, we take you to the ancient city of Sheki. Brimming with history and charm, Sheki will captivate you with its rich tapestry of culture, from the grandeur of the Khan's palace to the bustling bazaars. As you wander through the cobblestone streets, you'll discover a vibrant culinary scene. Be sure to stop by a local cafe for a taste of piti, a traditional Azerbaijani dish that's a symphony of flavors. Sheki offers an unforgettable blend of history and gastronomy. Moving forward to number 4, we explore the vibrant city of Ganja. This bustling metropolis is a beautiful blend of the old and the new, with modern attractions nestled amidst age-old traditions. Wander through its lively streets, soak in the rich culture, and don't forget to try the local cuisine. A must-visit spot is the famed Nizami Ganjavi restaurant, known for its authentic Azerbaijani dishes. Ganja, a city where tradition meets modernity, is a feast for all your senses. At number 3, we find ourselves in the enchanting Gobustan National Park. This gem of Azerbaijan is brimming with natural beauty, offering an array of outdoor activities. Hike through the park's rugged terrain, be captivated by ancient rock carvings, and feel the thrill of witnessing the rare phenomenon of mud volcanoes. After exploring, unwind at a popular picnic spot, savoring the taste of local cuisine amidst the serenity of nature. Gobustan National Park, a paradise for nature lovers and food enthusiasts. Coming in at number 2, we bring you the stunning Absheron National Park. Imagine yourself amidst the wild beauty, with rare species like the Caspian seal and the desert monitor lizard making this place their home. Breathe in the tranquility of the scenic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. And when hunger strikes, head over to the local dining spot, renowned for its traditional Azerbaijani dishes. Absheron National Park, where spectacular landscapes and delicious food await. And finally, at number 1, we present the breathtaking capital city, Baku, a city that buzzes with vibrant energy, where ancient history coexists with modern splendor. By day, explore the UNESCO World Heritage Site of the Old Town. By night, see the city come alive with its dazzling skyline. Don't miss the opportunity to dine at one of Baku's top-rated restaurants, where you can savor traditional Azerbaijani cuisine. Baku, a city that perfectly combines an unforgettable travel experience with a culinary journey. And that concludes our top 5 thrilling activities in Azerbaijan. Each destination, a unique blend of adventure and gastronomy, is waiting for you to discover. But our journey doesn't end here. There's a whole world out there, teeming with flavors and experiences, and we're here to guide you through it. Remember to smash that like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Travel, Tour, and Dine for more exciting travel and dining experiences. Your support fuels our adventures. Until next time, safe travels and happy dining.